Longtime Michigan men's golf coach Jim Carras died on Saturday, June 21st. He was 92. Carras spent 24 years as a coach in Ann Arbor, first as an assistant 1978 to 82, before taking over the lead position 1983 to 2002. Known for his warm personality. Carras' greatest strengths, according to those who spent the most time around him, was his ability to relate to players in ways many coaches couldn't. It's why his teams had perhaps even more success in the classroom than they did on the golf course. Jim Carras had a special connection with his players, the kind that stays with people long after their college years, said Chris Whitten, former men's golf coach 20119, and now executive director of the Golf Association of Michigan. I've heard many athletes say they don't remember every win or loss, but they remember how their coach made them feel. Jim made people feel supported, valued, and encouraged. Jim represented everything good about college golf. He cared about people, had perspective, and invested in others. I'm lucky to have known him and proud to have learned from him. Under Carras' watch, the program earned 39 academic All-Big, 10 citations, which began in 1987, and 6 individuals who were honored as National Golf Coaches Association National Scholar Athletes: Michael Affeldt, 1999-2000; Anthony Dietz, 1992-1993; Michael Harris, 1998-1999, 2000; Bob Hennigan, 1992; Isaac Hinkle, 1997, and Kevin Vernick, 1998. Harris was one of the best golfers under Carras, being named All-Big Ten 3 times, 1998, 1999, 2000, and becoming a medalist at the Big Ten Championships the same year. Andy Matthews, 1999, became UM's first Big Ten Freshman of the Year. Coach Carras always saw the bigger picture, a statement from Matthews began. Golf may have been what brought us to Michigan, but he knew our time in Ann Arbor would be about far more than any score we shot or accolade we earned.